Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2018 SHOT Show is sponsored by Olight Flashlights and Hog Holsters. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2018 SHOT Show. Happen to run into some old friends here. MyTopo, it's a map company, and I'm here with Paige from MyTopo. You may know that I'm a Scoutmaster, so I have a big need for maps. I discovered MyTopo a while back. What's really cool about them is you can create your own map in a pretty big range of scales, and you can center your map where you want to, so you don't have to be constrained to the USGS quadrangle formula. You can just, if you want to center it here, you can center it here. I've used their maps several times for a lot of backpacking trips, but I was talking to Paige here, and she's got a really cool resource I thought might help you out, so I thought we'd make a quick video and tell you about it. Paige, thanks so much for taking time.
You're so welcome. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Yeah, another big benefit of our maps is they're waterproof and tear resistant.
Yep.
So they're not going to, you can use them over and over and over again. But yeah, I think it's a really important skill for people to know how to navigate. And so I've got a little video that teaches you how to navigate that I'm going to share with you guys. And it's a great skill to have. You can find the blue dot on your GPS app or GPS and then relate it to a paper map.
Right.
If you use the UTM grid system. And so this is a video on how to use the UTM grid system, and it's a great skill to have and super important for folks to keep us from having to use our tax dollars to come rescue you.
Exactly.
Be able to take care of yourself.
A lot of people get lost.
A lot of people get lost, and this is a simple video you can watch and learn how to use it, and good skill to have.
And I'm telling you, I used to buy maps from the USGS, and they're a great service, but MyTopo rocks. They rock. So we'll put a link to that below. It'll be like a free training for you to learn how to do the UTM system and kind of help you in your navigational education.
And it's great for like Scoutmasters like you can use it to help other people. We all need to learn how to navigate. We don't want to lose that skill. Absolutely,
because if you spend any time in the woods, it's real important. So anyway, it's just a quick video to kind of introduce you to that, and we'll put the link to that in the description below. As always, thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, and very often random videos throughout the week. You can check out a new one right over there at the page's left. If you're not subscribed, please click down in the corner and do that. I'd really appreciate it. Once again, my name is Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.